Ennungi ng'ekoleddwa bulungi era ng'eteekeddwateekeddwa ku mutindo ogwesigika totawana kutambula ekibuga. Tawafeeke Butcher abasangibwa ku luguudo lwa Salaam okumpi ne Makindye Senior Secondary School okulira na Pearline Primary School ng'okkirira ku Charles City. Batunda ennyama ennungi ng'ate eri fresh. Weetaaga ya mikolo, weetaaga ya waka, ogyetaaga luddawa era mu bipimo kika ki. Bakubira essimu bajja gikutuusaako wonna w'ogyetaaze essaawa yonna. Okumanya ebisinga kubira Tawfik Butcher ku namba eno ku 0752 23 89 oba 0774 Tawfik Butcher tweweeyo kuweereza essaawa 24.
Pedestrians and riders constituted 85%, and of which most of these crashes happened in upcountry. Otherwise, highways were peaceful. And we also registered one major road crash during this season, and that was in Kapchorwa. It was a single fatal crash which occurred on the 26th, yesterday, December 2023, at 4 p.m. at Towei Corner, Kapsindi, along Kapchorwa Mbale Road, which was involving motor vehicle registration number UBD 074J Prado Land Cruiser. This crash claimed lives of 5 people, who included 4 children and the mother. It also injured 4 others, including the driver of the motor vehicle. And all these were the occupants of the same motor vehicle. During this season, we registered fewer road crashes compared to the last season. And this can also be attributed to the interventions which started much earlier on, and these included heavy deployments that you could all have seen on highways and on other major roads, and then also road safety awareness campaigns, which was done in partnership or in conjunction with other stakeholders. Operations also which were conducted on drunk driving, unlike last season, which we had a ban on it. But this time around, these operations were conducted and targeting the passenger service vehicle drivers on our checkpoints. Also, the participation of members of the public or all other road users, it also helped us a lot, more especially when it came to sharing with us information on all those traffic violators. In fact, on this note, we thank everyone and all those that contributed in as far as sharing this information is concerned. We continue to urge all members of the public and other road users to continue observing all traffic laws and regulations as you travel back from wherever you had traveled to. We continue to urge you to observe the speed limits, to continue being vigilant, especially whenever you are to overtake on the road, and also to continue reporting to us some of these violations through our toll-free number, which is 0800-199-099. You can also share with us some of the information and pictures or photos on our WhatsApp number, which is 077 99 99 99